V6. We got the check engine light on because we have long tube headers and no cats. Full custom exhaust. If this is your first time watching my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. True dual exhaust, cherry bomb glass packs, long tube headers, S&B cold air intake, and a bunch of other stuff. So we need hood pins, if you guys can see the misalignment here. So from driving on the highway a lot and being an aftermarket hood, it lifted up a little bit, so it bent it a little bit. So once we get hood pins, it'll be flush.